cause a nigga gave me nothing. I'm talking about nothing. I pray for no more struggling, so I'm out here hustling. Cause a prayer with no action is just bullshitting. I had to get my rings up, ain't got my chains up. Get off my ass and got a bag, and now they mad, bruh. So I'm just thumbing through the money, thumbing through the money. Man, I'm just thumbing through the money, thumbing through the money. I just pulled the phone up, missed it with soda. Clean the forges, coke like Georgie, pockets bulging. Man, I'm just thumbing through the money, thumbing through the money. Man, I'm just thumbing through the money, thumbing through the money. Ain't tricking on no bitch unless she get me rich. Cause trying to please a hoe when you ain't got you need your ass kicked. I been there, bruh. I was stupid. Fuck Cupid and pussy whip. So now I'm hard on the hoe and even harder on a nigga. Cause they'll take your kindness for weakness and make you whack a nigga. I stay out the way, bruh. I don't play, bruh. I throw it in the bank. Fuck a safe, bruh. Those 30s on the car. Nigga bitches on bars. Massages at spas. Eating crackers and caviar. Hopping off in a foreign car. With a foreign broad. Admiring my diamonds. And toasting to the gods. I'm a bar rover.
I give it a Koya.
Remember, I ain't had shit. But now my kids
Koya.
I was from the streets, bro.
Really in the streets, bro.
Okay.
What that shit is, bad it up.